Okay, now that we've completed this section of it, we're going to do a field installation showing an example of putting two large panels together using just the 6-inch tape. Alright, you want to make sure that you can overlap your panels by about 6 inches minimum when you're putting two panels together. And if you're running a large panel, if this was a 200-foot long piece, say a 50 by 200, you know, I would want to be a foot over here before I started seaming. And the important thing is to make sure you have a good straight line all the way down. Even though when you get to the end of your 200-foot run, you're liable to be 4 foot overlapped on this end. That's okay, as long as we've got our straight feet to run. So we've got it overlapped our 6 inches. Get our primer. And on long runs, you would be using a tool like this right here. The scrubber pad just on the handle. Sometimes you use a 3-inch roller, like a paint roller. And it's a good idea once you're running your seam, put a little bit on the bottom also.
Why is that?
That is going to hold the liner in place while you prime it, and while you run your tape, because a lot of times the wind will be an issue when you're out in the field. This one little step right here as you're priming will prevent this liner, the wind from catching this liner and blowing it up and making it flat. So we've got that down. That actually creates a pretty good seam right there. The wind will not be able to blow that up once it dries. We're going to come back and get our enough coverage to cover our 6-inch tape again. You'll notice here that we're fixing to go back over the piece of tape that we put down just a second ago. This is going to create a T-seam, and we'll show you how to work a T-seam here just a little bit later. We've got that primed. We have to let it flash off and become tacky to the chuck. And then we'll start